Okay, so now maybe you can learn some Chinese characters. I want to show you just a general idea of how the Chinese characters become nowadays. Okay. 好。So first, the one Chinese character. So now you can see this is a Chinese characters. The pronunciation is 人. That's right. So actually for this, you know how to tell your name and your location. And actually, 人, if you want to express our nationality, you can just plus the country's name and 人 together to show our experience, to tell us the nationality. 人 means people. So for example, if you want to introduce your nationality, you can say 我是美国人. That's right. So this is your nationality, to tell others your nationality. And for my nationality, of course, I'm 我是中国人. Okay, I will erase this because I just want to tell you the Chinese character. Actually, you know, some Chinese characters are originated from the painting. You know, the ancient people used the painting to record our life and then become the Chinese characters nowadays. So just like this one, you can see this is the body of the person, this is the left leg, this is the right leg. It's like a person is walking. Okay, and so this is the people, and for example, another one. This Chinese characters also from a painting. I can draw you a painting here, and you can have a guess of what the meaning of the Chinese character, but I'm not sure you can tell from this painting because I have very bad painting skills. Can you have a try? Anyhow. Sorry, your video just broken up, I think. So I didn't hear what did you say. Can you say it again? How? Actually, it means fire. You can see the bottom one is that one who can support the air, and here is 2 points instead of the fire. Yeah, the pronunciation is 火. That's very good. And another one. Have a guess of this one? That's right. Congratulations. For me also. So this one is mountain. So you can see the top one, the one stroke, and here, and there, the lower one. The pronunciation of this one is shān. That's right. Okay, so you can see this is all. This is some Chinese character become the Chinese character nowadays is offering the painting. And maybe now I want to show you another one, casino. In Chinese, we have many radicals. For the radicals, it's just like English. And you know, for you have OR or ER. You put at the end of the vocabulary to show it's what kind of person, for example, actor, leader, waiter. And in Chinese, we also have this one, and this will be this. For example, this is a person, right? A people. Then when it's become a Chinese character, it will become this way. Can you see that? Okay, so a person stands up will become this way. And this is 人 plus mountain plus shān together. It will become another Chinese character. Can you have a guess of the meaning of this Chinese character? Is related to mountain, and it's related to a person. So a person lives in the mountain. Do you think? Do you think what kind of person will live in the mountain? A hiker. Someone who can hunt. That is very close. It's just a guess. But actually, in the very ancient time, we all think the God lives in the mountain, very high mountain. You cannot see them, and you can only see the cloud. So actually, this one, the meaning is God. And the pronunciation is xiān. That's right. Okay. So actually, for this one, in this way, actually, the Chinese characters is not so difficult as you think. So we can learn this way, and we can learn more in the future. And this is all we learned today. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. 再见。